Hello guys, good morning. Here we go again. Today we have a Tucson 2005. There's a problem in the ABS. As we see, we also using the lens to diagnose the problem. At first, we touch the device inside the car, inside the OBD. Then we are going to the diagnose. So guys, you see us using this device a lot. It's really good device. And there's many devices. We have manually selected. Okay. System selection. Then we have anti-lock braking system, ABS. Then we read the fault. As we see, while speed sensor front right open, the sensor in the right tire. Okay, so we're gonna check this sensor and see what's the problem exactly and clean it. If it want to be changed, we will change it, guys. So guys, as we knew that the problem is exactly in this sensor inside here, so we will get this sensor off and check what exactly the problem. Hadi devam et.
Söyle.
Mıknatıs.
O galiba.
Evet. Hayır, pardon.
Invert filteren, hè?
É?
Será?
Okay guys, after we made it sure that the problem solved, we will take the car and drive on the street to read the data stream. So we are going to the read data stream, then we will choose all of the sensors for the ABS, and then select OK. Okay, here we go, reading the ABS. As we see, the problem is still, guys.
No problem.
Yeah, we have to change the sensor. The problem in the sensor, not in the cable. So by reading data stream, we made it sure that the problem is still in the car. Okay guys, we got, after now the sensor is broken, we got a new one. Here's the old one. It's already broken. So we connect the new one. As you see here, we will see, and we will take the car on the road and see the data stream. Okay guys, as I told you, we changed the sensor and we connected the new one. So as we see the results here from reading the data stream, here we go. The 4 sensors are working well, there's no problems. As we see, that was our problem today guys. For more and more, you can subscribe us and leave a good comment below and like this video. Thank you very much for watching and hope you have a good day. Thank you. Goodbye.